good morning, this is Anya B and welcome to How Did I Cook This Meal. If you're new to my channel, there's a little button just below that video. It is red, it says subscribe, so you are free to press it now. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick salmon and poached egg sandwich. So bear with me, I'm going to show you how to make it and enjoy the video. So this is what you're going to need to make your sandwich. So I've got some smoked salmon. This is the Lidl's one, the cheapest they had. I've got some wild rocket as my speed. I've got some eggs, and I'm gonna use one of the slices of the homemade Warburtons. You can use two, or you can use bacon or any healthy extra you're using. The only reason why I'm using one is because I'm meeting my friend for my birthday picnic. So I'm just gonna take a hi-fi bar with me if I wanted to have something sweet. So the first thing I need to do, I need to heat up the grill to make the toast, as I don't own a toaster. And I'm boiling some water, so I don't need to wait ages for the water to boil on the hob to poach my egg. So my toast is nearly ready, so in the meantime whilst it was making, I just made myself a cup of tea, so I don't need to do that because I boiled just enough water to poach my egg and to make myself a tea. So I'm getting ready my salmon and the rocket. Obviously always remember to wash your fruit and veg, but this one is actually washed and ready to eat, so I don't need to do that. But if it wasn't, I would have to wash it. So let's have a look at my toast. Definitely ready. So this is my toast. Now I'm going to put some rocket on the bottom of it. It doesn't need loads, but it just gives you that extra speed food, and rocket is quite peppery, so it will give you really nice taste. So it's worth trying. Obviously if you don't like rocket, you don't need to put it. It works without any speed food as well, but I just prefer to add that extra to it. So now I'm just gonna put some salmon on top. That packet usually lasts me for about 3 breakfasts, depending how much salmon I use. I love salmon. It's one of my favorite fish. It's just so easy and it's just nice. There's no other words for it. So obviously this one's sliced. Remember to wash your hands as well. So I'm just gonna put 1, maybe 2 actually, because I'm having only 1 sandwich today. I'm gonna stack it with protein so I don't get hungry. Obviously I'm seeing my friend quite soon, so we're gonna have some food, but I just decided to save one of my beef so I can have a hi-fi bar. So that is the base of your breakfast, and now we're just gonna poach the eggs. So once the water starts to bubble, you need to change the heat to medium, high or medium depending on your cooker. So I like my poached eggs quite runny, so once I can see that it gets to that point when it will be ready in a minute, I just switch the heat off so it just stays in the warm water. So this is my breakfast done. This is how it looks like. I normally season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Obviously you don't have to do that, but I prefer it that way. There you go. Beautiful. Hi, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do like my content, please subscribe. There's a red button just below this video, and let me know what is your favorite quick breakfast ideas. I will see you soon.